Hey, what's up, guys? So, this is RJ here, and welcome to my channel Make Money Online with RJ. Alright, so today, what I'm going to show you guys, a lot of people they're asking me about the affiliate marketing. So, I thought, like, why not go and make some videos about like how to make money online about the affiliate. Have you ever heard about that? Like, you can make money. I mean, you can make money with Amazon, but have you heard about that? Their affiliate program. Literally, you can apply for free. Just apply for free and pick the products, whatever you want to, what product you want to promote. You are feel free to promote. Once people they buy from your link, that's how you're gonna get money. So I'm going to explain you step by step, you know without spending a dime. You can literally open Amazon affiliate accounts, and I will show you how to promote also. So please watch these full videos, okay? So be with me. Let me enter in this Google account, and then I will show you. So let me move myself, and then let's get it in. Alright, so let me move my videos a little bit here in the corner. Alright, guys. Alright, so here you go. I will lock it. This one, it's good. Alright, so first we have to go on the Google, okay? And what you have to do, just search it like affiliate marketing, like a affiliate program for Amazon. Once you like it, just click it. Once you click it, it will be page look like that. Let me show you guys. So you'll see that it will look like that. This page, it will be look like that. What he's saying is like a recommend product, earn commission, and that's how you're gonna make money. Sign up, recommend, and earn, and you can make 10%. 10%. So if you are selling something product is like a $100, so just guess about that. 10% of the $100, it will be $10, right? So let's see, let's get in. So just you signed up, you click it here, signed up, and it will ask you this thing. This is my address, sorry. So just go to the next levels, and you can see that. So first things they're gonna ask you, what is that, the instruction. Just before fill up, just read this all instruction, and that's how you're gonna, you have to fill it. So enter your website. So I mean, you can put your TikTok or your Facebook or anything. I have my website, it's called rjpandy.com. So rjpandy.com. Okay, I'll put it there, this address. All right, good to go. Don't have to do it. I'll go for next one. All right, still showing. So it's saying, are any of the websites or mobile app listed ever directed primarily at the children under 13? So I will say no, and then confirm it. But please read carefully, guys. Please read it, okay? Because this is the Amazon. You are dealing with world number one company, okay? You are going to deal with that. So please, what is your preferred associate ID? So I can say RJ Leslie, okay? Yeah, she's my wife, so RJ Leslie. And then what your website, mobile apps. So you can put TikTok or the Facebook or anything. I'll put the rjpandy.com again. All right, so this one is done. What is your primary topic? So you have to choose the niche, like what automotives or books or business, computers, software, gaming or anything. So I mean anything, whatever your topic is that. But for me, I put the educations or like the books, books, it will be fine for me. Websites, mobile apps, I mean, mostly it's my education, business. I can say the business, and secondary is like again like the education and all the stuff, you know. So after that, what type of Amazon ideas do you intend? So whatever you want to select, like can say book, digitals, home, garden, clothing, Sonic, Kindles, tools, you know movies, toys, computers, anything, whatever you like to promote. uh, okay, and that's cool. And after that, what type are you websites on? So we can say that coupon still or blogs, we'll do the blogs. Secondary types also, content niche websites, coupon deals. So we can do that. Search, or not search, um, just like content or niche websites. Okay, all right. And then we'll traffic and monetization. So what we will do, we'll do social media, social networks, like mostly, and the emails too. I mean, if you want to send the emails, you can say it, blogs to SEO to, just however you guys want to promote. So you can do that. And guys, if you guys like my videos, please smash the like buttons, um, so this way I can make more videos how to make money online, and completely it will be free. Okay, so please smash the like button and make sure subscribe my channel too. So how do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? So we can say that with the affiliate programs, or like a commissions or Amazon. I will Amazon. Okay, you can see that the like how to usually build links. So you can see that like manual web text editor or anything other, you can see that. And how many totals unique visitor to your website, so you can see that like a 500 $5,000. Okay, and what is your primary reason for joining Amazon? So you can see that to get rich content my site. Okay, how did you hear about that? So you can say that from online search, you can say that a word by mouth, anything. So I'll do the online search, and then you have to put this one. So it's a BBY 35, and all right. So let's see, and operating you are agree terms and condition. Okay, all right. So right now I'm here in United States, might be something different, it will be in your country. So just check it out, guys. It will be not same as the same as mine, maybe it will be different, but it will be a little bit the process. So congrats Rajiv Pandey, thank for applying for the Amazon Associates programs. And my unique ID is, you can see that RJ Leslie, this one. So you got, and enter your payments and tax information. So I will say I will do later on, so yeah, I will do later on because I'm showing right now. So before we can pay, it will say tax information, accounts and everything, and that's we have to submit it. And now here you go, you are good to go, and so you're good to go, and you can do whatever you like. So just think about that. Okay, all right. So what you want to promote? Anything, anything. Suppose that I want to promote a book. So RICH, rich dad, poor dad. Okay, just search it. So let's see. So this rich dad and poor dad, okay, this is the $10 books. Okay, so get the link. So you just click it here. Okay, and this is like a whole link you can copy and paste, or like a sorting with the like a small, this one you can just literally copy, you know, copy. All right, you just copy it. What to do, go to TikTok, you know, let me take you on the TikTok, you'll see that. So TikTok, I'll take you on the TikTok, and once you open the TikTok, what you're gonna do, let me show you. So this is my channel, it's RJ Pandy, and view profiles. Okay, all right. So if you want to put like a 10 products, you know, let me show you. If you want to put the 10 products, you know, so you use the link tree, you know, link tree. Let me show you that one also. So its link tree is free to use, and most of the people they use Beacon. So link tree, you can see that it's literally free to use. I mean, they have other option also, the only link you have ever need, so you can literally use this link tree. All right, so you can see that this is start free, and login I can show you, you can log in also. I already made the accounts, you know. So what I did, this is my let me log in. So yeah, so I will request you guys, if you guys are like my videos, you know, just smash the like button, subscribe my channel, so I will make more videos like that. So I need just support from you guys. All right, so what I did here, I copied, like, do you remember I copied the Rich Dad and Poor Dad link from here. What I did, see, this is the Rich Dad Poor Dad book, I put it the link, you can see that I put it here the link. Okay, just copy from there, paste it here, and you are good to go. And this link just copy from here, go to TikTok and post it here. Okay, just post it here. Once you post it here, just wait and watch, and then here you go, boom, it will say open anyway. All right, so you can see that, here you go. So I am promoting Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Once people they buy, just see that. Okay, you click it here, and it will take you on the Amazon. Boom, here you go. So if anybody buys, I get some commission. It's not like too much, but at least the free, suppose that you sold like a 10 books or 15 books or anything you can sell it literally here. Literally you can sell anything, or let's see, or like what the cell phone cover, see, cell phone cover. Okay, so just cell phone cover, you just get the link from here and post it on the TikTok. Okay, and just post it on the, take the link here and then go to the LinkedIn, or however you want to drive, or you can make websites, good websites, you know, so you can do that one also, and you can use the link tree also. So this is how you're gonna do that. But let me see that, let me show you guys, where's that. Okay, let me go back here. So yeah, let me go back here. Okay, so let me look for that one of the girl, she's doing all about the affiliate marketing. So let me see how she's driving traffic. Let me find out her, where is she, you know, and just give me 1 second, let me search it and I'll get back to you. Okay, all right, so you can search it like a top online files. Okay, you can see that this lady, okay, she is making tons of money. Okay, look at this, how many the followers they have. she has. Okay, what literally she is doing, just think about that, what she is doing. All right, she has the 16.5 thousand. Okay, this view, what she is promoting, just let me play it.
Here's some bathroom organization items I've been loving lately. First are these stackable containers. They come in a pack of 3. You can use them for your clips, scrunchies, hair ties, so many different accessories. I love that they're stackable so they don't take up a bunch of room and you can easily tuck them away underneath your counter. Next are these cute canisters. They come in a 2-pack and can be used to store things like your Q-tips, cotton balls. I just love the kind of wood bamboo top. I think it's really cute and helps to keep your countertop a little bit more cohesive. And lastly is this toilet paper holder. I just liked the gold and thought it was really pretty. Here's some bathroom organization.
So literally she is promoting from the Amazon. You can see that bathroom storages, Amazon or something. Okay, just click it here. Once you click it, then you'll get to know that what she's saying, the toponlinefinds.com. Okay, so she's literally promoting on TikTok, so you can see that. All right, let me show you guys. All right, I mean, she is using Bitly, so you can see that she is using same Linktree like that, so because Linktree has like a lot of options to do that. Open anyway, you can see that what you are gonna say. Look at this, top online finds, and she has the Amazon storefront, TikTok products, like to know, TikTok, Car Plus, Hooks, top online finds, and she has all the social media. She promote on the Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Amazon. This is all she has. Okay, all the link to product we share, we can be found here. Okay, so let me click it that. If she can make money, you can make money, guys. It's literally start to free. So once you have like a good subscriber or something on this one, or you are really have a good website, so the Amazon, they let you make websites. Amazon links. So look at this is the organization. Just now she showed the video earlier, right? So just click it here. Okay, so what she was showing you earlier, this one, only the $15. Okay, once you click it here, just see the magic, what is gonna happen. All right, just click it here. Here you go, it's Amazon. It takes you here. If anybody buys, how you can know that? Like, look at this, it's the REF means refer. That's how you're gonna refer. We refer. Affiliate marketing is like a refer the products. Okay, and you don't have to go to the Amazon, make a free account, and that's you are here, and you can see anything like a TikTok. Let's see what is there on the TikTok. So sorry about my internet, but if you guys like my videos, smash the like button. So it's the same thing, it's showing same thing here, so you're gonna tell everything. So it's fine, I showed you already. I showed you these things also, Amazon. Okay, so I mean, that's it, that's it. So you just drive the traffic, go to the TikTok, drive the traffic, Amazon or anywhere, just drive the traffic, and then you are good to go. You are just literally good to go, and that's it. So I hope you find the value. If you find the value, please smash the button, and then subscribe my channel. So very soon I'm going to I'm going to keep making videos, a lot of videos about how to make money online. So I'm trying, I'm trying to give you value, guys. If you find the value, please subscribe my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.